They do not get me how I am. Change is needed from up to down. My existence matters physically. My thoughts are barking hounds. Purity is my boon, yet I roam with open wounds. I left myself behind to meet their tunes, begging for love, for the affection that resumes. The world seeks only the shining sun. Who am I? A quiet, unspoken one. They chase what glitters beyond their grasp. Ignoring the truth, I cradle in my clasp. And here I stand, carrying myself, the only crack in this castle of glass.